Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fine up Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, we're at the Presidium Valley View. We've just walked in, and this is a really pretty lobby. It's super tall. It is probably 30 feet tall up there. Really, really attractive. You can see the really pretty lighting that's up there. Very, very nice. I love the look and feel here. It's really modern. It's really fun in here. And this is just the leasing office. This is a kind of a gathering center. And then now we're going to go kind of walk in here on this first floor. So let's walk through on the first floor and see what that looks like. So we've walked in. Here's the elevator here. And there's going to be several things that you can see here that are pretty cool. There's a resident lounge that's here. There is the mail area that's here too, so you can see that. Really big mail area. I like all the wood that's here too. That's cool. You're gonna see also the pool. Pool is out here, so you're gonna be able to see that. That's right here. And then there's the great golf simulator. Wow, that's gonna be cool. We will definitely get some video of that. There's also a fitness center that I believe is right here. We'll see that shortly. Very cool. And then that completes pretty much the amenities are on the first floor. There's a second floor amenity, I believe, as well. We'll try to capture that in a minute. But this is what it looks like here on the first floor. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. But right now, let's go ahead and look at the fitness center. Let's check that out right now.